Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most common beauty dilemmas, choosing the right foundation shade. It's so important to find that perfect match for your skin, but with so many shades and formulas out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, don't worry, because I've got you covered. Let's make foundation shopping a breeze. Finding your perfect foundation shade can be tricky, but with the right techniques, it's easier than you think. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to help you choose the right shade for your skin tone, undertone, and how to test foundations to ensure the best match. First, you need to figure out your skin tone. Your skin tone can be light, medium, or dark. To determine this, look at the natural color of your skin. Are you fair with pink undertones, medium with warm undertones, or deeper with golden undertones? This will help guide you toward the right foundation range. Now that you know your skin tone and undertone, it's time to test out some foundation shades. When swatching foundation, apply a stripe of product along your jawline. This is the best area to check, as it blends your face and neck, giving you a natural look. Blend the foundation in and wait a few seconds to see if the shade disappears into your skin. The right shade should blend effortlessly and not leave any noticeable lines. After testing the shade indoors, it's always a good idea to check your foundation in natural light. Natural light will give you a true sense of how the foundation looks on your skin. If the foundation looks too dark or too light outside, it might not be the right shade for you. Don't forget that your skin tone can change with the seasons. During the winter, you may need a lighter shade, while in the summer, your skin may darken a bit from sun exposure. It's always good to have different shades on hand to match your skin tone year-round. Lastly, consider the formula and finish you want. Foundations come in matte, dewy, satin, and other finishes. Matte foundations are great for oily skin, while dewy foundations give a more radiant finish and are ideal for dry skin. Be sure to test the formula along with the shade to ensure it matches your skin type and the look you're going for.